Hi, I'm Ms. Piper, and I'm pleased to be your student's teacher this semester at Apex High. So let's come on in and see what your student will be up to this semester. As your student comes in, they'll see our daily objective, our unit for the warm-up, what they'll be learning, how they'll apply it, and our upcoming quizzes and tests. On Canvas, your student will also be able to see what we are doing and how to turn it in. So let's take a look at what your student should be able to know and do throughout the course. We jump right into our study of the Earth by looking at the scientific method and how we map the Earth. We then go into astronomy, where we're looking at how Earth's position relative to the Sun influences conditions on the Earth. We then journey inside the Earth to analyze how the geosphere is shaped by plate tectonics and the rock cycle. We'll then analyze how the interactions between the hydrosphere and the atmosphere transfer energy and influence our climate. In the second half of our course, we start putting it all together. So we'll analyze the connections between the biosphere and all the other Earth systems we've studied. We'll then evaluate how human consumption patterns impact Earth systems, including land use, water pollution, and air pollution. In our final unit, we'll analyze how Earth systems impact humans and the biosphere. The biggest advice prior students give to incoming students is to make sure they learn the vocabulary words and complete their notes. Each night, you can ask your student what they learned in class, remind them to review their notes and vocab, and to remember to submit their assignments on Canvas if they didn't finish in class. Students will be assessed with quizzes, tests, and projects. If they need to retake a quiz or test, they can do so by signing up in class. If you have any questions, feel free to reply back to one of my talking points or email me at kpiper@wcpss.net. But thank you for supporting your student.